to the third session. Today we are going to talk about languages and countries. So first of all, when we talk about the languages and countries, we have to see that what all languages in Germany they used to speak, and then we will see how we can say those languages and those country in German. So around the world there are people used to speak German as their mother tongue. So we can say that in the 42 countries people are using German language as their mother tongue. This is the official language in 4 countries which is in European Union, that is Germany, Austria, Belgium and Luxembourg. German is also an official language to Switzerland and Liechtenstein. What are the countries who speaks in German? So you can see this that 95% of people in Germany used to speak in German language, which is obvious. But apart from that, in Liechtenstein, as I said, this is the official language. So 92% of people are learning, like speaking language in German. And Austria 98%. Then comes Luxembourg, which is 78%. And Switzerland as 60%, but 1% of Belgium country also speaks in German. So this is not only a spoken language in Germany, but also the spoken language of different countries. German is one of the world's top 10 most commonly spoken languages, along with English, Mandarin, Chinese, Spanish, French and Russian. So it is estimated that worldwide there are 90 million people who are native speakers. So these much population are speaking in German language. Officially there are 6 German speaking countries in Europe: Germany with more than 80 million speakers, Austria 8 million, Switzerland 4.6, Belgium 75,000, Luxembourg 390, Liechtenstein 35,000 people. In addition, German has official status and is recognized minority language in the following countries. So German is, you can say, the widely spoken language in all over. So about this language, if you just see, like, if you're learning German language, what are the main things you should know? So there are total 4 cases in German, which goes as noun, pronoun, adjective, but divided in nominative, accusative, genitive and dative. So if we just talk about the base of this language in grammar, yes, these are the base of the language. And there are 3 genders, which is masculine, feminine and neutral. And there are some verbs which called as strong and weak, but exactly it is like regular and irregular verbs. What are some facts about this language? There are false friends. False friends means the meaning in English is different. The word is same, but the meaning in English is different and in German is different. So when we talk about the word kind, so kind in English means nice, but the same word when we talk about in German, that means a child. So you can see that kind in English is nice, but kind, the pronunciation is kind, that is in German as child. Same way the word still. Still normally means like nevertheless, however, but in German it means silent. So these are some, there are more words like having the different meaning in English and different in German, but they are same in, we used to write same way in both the language. Now English and German share 60% of their vocabulary. That is really right, because when we talk about like some of the words which is same way in pronunciation in English also. For example, perfect, we say same way. Then we have orange, that is the same one. So there are lots of vocabularies which is same in English and in German. Largest train station in Europe is in Berlin. Berlin is 9 times bigger than Paris, and German is the 3rd most widely taught language in the world. There are some benefits of learning this language. First one, it is most widely spoken native language in Europe. That we have done already. Means this is the most widely spoken native language in Europe. It's an official language of Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Belgium, Luxembourg. So you can see that's a widely spoken language. Job opportunities. Obviously, if you're learning an additional language, you have lots of job opportunities worldwide. And you know that Germany is the Europe is the largest economy, fourth largest in GDP globally in the world. So basically it's a complete you can say market, and there is a job possibility in the medicine, healthcare, education, logistics, automobile, and mass media, entertainment, tourism. There's a Germany is a powerhouse like BMW, Volkswagen, Bosch. So highly big companies are there in Germany, and the scope there is very very large. So career spoke of Germany in India. Same thing, you can become a professional German translator, you can become interpreter, you can open your own institute as a language instructor, you can become proofreader, content writer, you can also work on the many MNCs like Amazon, Accenture, BMW, and so on. Germany in hotel, travel, tourism, and hospitality industry. It's a highly package over there in Germany. Like if you're working in any hotel, any travel tourism company, then you can easily use your language in different places like Germany, Austria, Switzerland, wherever German use. So you can use this language and become a hotel, travel, or tourism person. It's You can also take the opportunity in the world of literature, music, movie, art, and philosophy, because you know that highly very initially the literature, the reader part comes from the German itself. The German speaking world has produced some of the greatest literary, musical, artistic, theater, and philosophical minds. Literature like Goethe, Schiller, Thomas Mann, Kafka. Classical music, art, psychology, philosophy, all these are famous there in Germany. German is not so difficult. It belongs to the same language family tree, that is the West Germanic language. And if you just see the example in hello, that becomes hallo, water becomes Wasser, father turns to Vater, friend to Freund. So these are very similar to each other.